So they give me 5 minutes, which is very, very precious up here. What I wanted to do was bring it home to America and to Bend, because people have said to me, why should I care about dogs in Chile? And I think the best way to do that is in a minute's silence for the 10,000 dogs who were killed today in the American shelter system. 10,000 yesterday and 10,000 tomorrow. Most of the people I know in this community get their dogs from breeders. And I think it's because we have the luxury of not looking if we don't want to. And being in Chile and seeing what people there have to deal with, they don't have that luxury. But still, the numbers, they have 2.5 million stray dogs there. We kill between 3 and 4 million every year. So let's bring it home, and if I could just invite you 60 seconds just to think about those dogs, just for 1 minute.